Where's the subwoofer? I swear, where is it coming from?
Hi, I'm Brian, Brian's Custom Audio. I develop high-end sound systems for exotic cars, for yachts and for houses. And I've just finished this beautiful Lamborghini Huracan Performante, which I'm gonna deliver to the client right now. So I'm very excited about his reaction.
Brian,
Hey,
how are you?
good man, how are you?
Good.
I fixed the sound system of your baby.
Let's listen to it.
Excited?
Yes, I'm very excited.
Please. So let me give you a proper demonstration of the sound quality.
On the choruses.
I can hear the difference already. So clear, like it's like such a difference. It sounded like muffled, you know, like very muffled. It was it's like crazy right now. Like, what the fuck? Wow, that's insane. Such a huge difference, crazy man. Where's the subwoofer? I swear, where is it coming from?
So first of all, there's not even a subwoofer. All the bass is coming from the doors. Yeah, so I've developed special speakers with 3D printed carbon fiber speaker adapters sitting in the factory locations. The same mounting holes, everything is the same. So I didn't demolish anything from the car. Added a lot of soundproofing, of course. For the tweeters, to get the sound stage perfect, I made a 3D scan of the factory tweeter panels. So I made a 3D scan of it and I reverse engineered that. I made a new tweeter panel which is angled. Yeah, so the sound from the tweeter is now coming directly to your ears without any interference. That's why it sounds so clear and so powerful.
Okay, Brian, it sounds perfect, insane, nicely done. I swear, I want to thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're a pro.
Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Anyone needs a sound system in their car, I think everyone should go to Brian because he knows what he's doing.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Enjoy it.
Yes, I'm gonna enjoy
Yeah.
every day.
Definitely.